Okay, so we're in Unity, and I've just dragged my avatar Unity package directly into the assets folder in the project window down in that bottom left part of the screen. After a few seconds, it will come up with this screen which says import Unity packages or package, and it will list all the things that you're about to install. You don't have to do anything here other than just press import. It will then take quite some time to import the files. There's quite a lot of files simply because there's quite a lot of options for the avatar, including a bunch of different clothing, a few different base textures. I've added a few things in recent updates, like different body type, sort of high definition textures. So there's a bunch of stuff, but obviously this is going to take a while. So I'm going to cut it and we'll get back to it in just a moment.